This is a Rook puzzle and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Sherzod Khaydarbekov from Uzbekistan and made by Puzzle Guy. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to get the rook, the black rook, to the black square using just standard chess moves. That means that no capturing allowed, no playing real chess. There is no turns like white goes first, then black, then white again. No. There is only one empty spot on this board, and you have to move any of the chess pieces you like, but according to the chess rules, like the pawn go only to the front, it can't go back, bishop goes on diagonal, the knight goes two and then one to the side. So you have just to follow the moves like in chess in order to move the black rook to the black square. If you like the Rook puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the first move will obviously be with the white knight like that. Then you grab this bishop and put it right here. The next one will be this knight to this spot. The next move will be to move this bishop right in here and move the black rook one step. Then you grab this bishop and put it instead of the rook and move the rook one step to the right. Then you move this bishop one step and you don't move rook straight to the next square. You just move the other bishop one step and then you move the rook. Then you move this bishop right in here and move this pawn one step forward. The next step will be to move this knight right in here and move the rook to the right. Now move the pawn one step forward and move this bishop right in here, since now you have to move this knight right to this spot. Now you move the black rook one step down and move this knight to this square. It looks like there is a dead end, but you grab this knight and put it right in here and then move this pawn one step forward. Then you grab this bishop and put it right in here and move this bishop right in here. Then you move the pawn one step to the front and move this knight right here. Then you move this bishop right to this square and this knight goes instead of the bishop right in here. Then you move this bishop one step here and the next step will be not to put the knight here, since it will be a dead end. You move the rook right here and then you move the pawn one step. The next step will be to grab this knight and put it right in here, move this pawn one step forward, move this knight right in here and then move this bishop. As you can see, we're getting very close to solving the puzzle. The black rook goes down, this bishop goes right in here, the pawn goes one step forward, then you move this knight right in here and this pawn goes one step forward. There are only a couple of steps left and they are very simple. This knight goes here, the black rook goes here, then the bishop goes right in here. You put the black rook right here and the puzzle is solved. And that was the solution for the Rook puzzle. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.